Now okay, little bit.
Yes, ma'am. Now it's nice. Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Earlier we
Fine.
could not able to see your face. Now it's good.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, it's good. Wonderful.
My face also dark only, Sridevi.
You're beautiful, ma'am. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay.
Over to you. Yeah.
It's okay, na?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Can I continue?
I'll just give the share option. Just a moment.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. You can now give your.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. At the time of starting Chakra Shuddhi Dharana, first we need to sit in Siddhasana or Siddha Yoniyasana. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Siddhasana or Siddha Yoniyasana essential for this practice because we need to locate our chakras. We need to locate our kshetram. Very particularly for locating the trigger point of the Muladhara chakra and Swadhisthana chakra. Very particularly for two chakras only. For Siddhasana benefit is so high. If you sit, it is cooperative to open your chakras, just to stimulate your nadis also. Compared to other asanas, Siddhasana is highly beneficial for this. You are very particularly locating the chakra of Muladhara chakra and Swadhisthana chakra, we need to sit in Siddhasana or Siddha Yoniyasana. Siddhasana, male can select. Siddha Yoniyasana, female can select. Siddhasana, male, they can bring their heels very closer to them. They can little bit harder manner also they can bring. Ladies, Siddha Yoniyasana, same like that they can do, but we need to bring in mild manner. That's all. Okay, here I told about the trigger point and Kshetram. No, Kshetram is locating in front body. Muladhara chakra, it doesn't have Kshetram. Muladhara chakra, it doesn't have trigger point. Say location Kshetram, we can say in same point only. So after resembling the Siddhasana, we need to bring our which heel we are putting first. Very particularly, always we used to have bring our right heel towards the perineum. Between the, we need to keep our right heel between the anus and genital portions. We need to bring our heel closer to that, and left heel, which heel we are putting up, that heel we need to put our in pubic bone. So with two heels in the same line. That is very important. Which part it is pressing in the perineum, that is the trigger point, that is the Muladhara chakra location. There we need to put our concentration. At the time of putting the concentration, we need to feel the pulsation. Just pulsation, just that area, it is expanding and contracting. There is no any concentration on any particular places, only your concentration on that particular location of the Muladhara chakra only. You are pressing your lower heel in that area. There at the time of touching, you are feeling the pulsation. After feeling the pulsation, you need to give some time. Immediately we should not move. We need to practice at least one day also. You can take one day in the sense, whenever we are practicing in one day, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, we can put the effort. Pulsation only you can take time. You can feel, or sometimes you are not able to feel, but it takes time. Within short period, immediately we are not able to identify. Even though if we feel, sometimes we are not able to identify. That is analysis. That is discrimination. What we are analyzing, what we are getting the point. Own capacity also we need to have. No, it will induce your capacity. Okay, after feeling the pulsation, we need to aware about our normal breath. At the time of awareing our normal breath, we need to bring our breath and incorporate with that pulsation. Now we can feel with the pulsation only taking the breath. That area, Muladhara chakra area only taking the breath. Other things remain still. only Mooladhara chakra part only moving. It is expanding and contracting. At the time of inhalation, you can feel that Mooladhara chakra area is expanding. At the time of exhalation, you can feel that Mooladhara chakra part is contracting. Like this, you can do for 5 minutes. After familiarizing this, you purified. At the time of incorporating your breath into the pulsation, you are giving the purification. It is piercing your Mooladhara chakra. It is putting the hole. It is opening any blockages if you have. It is giving the opening. After familiarizing this breath, just bring the Om chanting, incorporate in the breath. Usually at the time of Om chanting, we'll take deep inhalation. At the time of exhalation, we will do Om chanting. No, but here at the time of inhalation also you can do Om chanting. At the time of exhalation also you can do Om chanting. Mental Om chanting. No need to do louder. Mentally, at the time of inhalation, you are doing Om chanting. At the time of exhalation, you are doing Om chanting. Incorporated with the breath and incorporate with the pulsation. You are just feeling the pulsation, the Mooladhara chakra. It is expanding and contracting through with the integration of the breath and Om chanting. This Om chanting minimum we need to do for 5 minutes. Patiently, without any distractions, if we can do, definitely we are piercing the Mooladhara chakra. We are opening the Mooladhara chakra. We are just moving into upward. You are ready to move into upward. After doing this, after familiarizing this, we can move into next chakra. Now we can locate our Swadhisthana chakra. I am putting my cursor here now in front body in the pubic bone, which heel, upper heel touching the area in the pubic bone. If we resemble the Siddhasana properly, definitely each and every people correctly locate. Depends on our body. Here no need our leg is like this, his body is like that, her body is like that. Our body level is correctly fit to our locating our chakra. If you resemble properly Siddhasana, exactly upper heel locate your Kshetram of the trigger point of the Swadhisthana chakra. Which part the just upper heel indicating just touching the area, that is Swadhisthana chakra. In that area, you need to feel the pulsation. After locating the Swadhisthana chakra, you need to feel the pulsation. After feeling the pulsation, here what you need to do? You need to travel. You need to put the psychic path. You need to travel to the back coccyx. Okay, you need to travel to the location of the Swadhisthana chakra. This is location of the Swadhisthana chakra. After bringing your awareness to the location of the Swadhisthana chakra, again you need to feel the pulsation on your location of the chakra. Okay, just familiarize the pulsation of the chakra. After that, what we need to do? We need to aware about our normal breath. We need to bring our normal breath into our Kshetram of the chakra. Kshetram of the chakra. From the Kshetram, we need to travel to the location. At the time of inhalation, we need to travel from the Kshetram to location. And at the time of exhalation, we need to travel from the location of the chakra to Kshetram of the chakra. In Swadhisthana chakra, we are doing this travel. After the travel familiarizing, we put the psychic path, we put the root here. In this root, at the time of putting root, we are piercing the chakra, we are putting the hole, we are removing the blockages. Okay, here after that, we need to incorporate, we incorporated our breath, no? Then slowly, gradually, we need to incorporate our Om chanting in this breath. At the time of inhalation, silent Om chanting, mental Om chanting to the location of the chakra, and from location of the chakra to Kshetram at the time of exhalation. Now we need to feel the expansion and contraction in the pelvic region. Other areas totally still. Now we are taking the breath only in that pelvic region only. Pelvic region only we are taking breath. this portion only, all the energies on that portion only, other part is still totally. So through this we can pierce the chakra, we can purify the chakra. You can feel it at the time of incorporating breath, at the time of incorporating Om mantra, you can feel it. Your breath is getting the thinner and thinner, finer and finer. You are piercing the Swadhisthana chakra. You can feel that. It depends on the function, you purified or not, also you can realize. Okay, these are the practices we need to incorporate. After doing this, after familiarizing this, we need to do for 5 minutes in this. Next we can move into Muladhara chakra. Muladhara chakra, exactly Kshetram is navel. In that navel also we need to feel the pulsation. After feeling the pulsation, we need to travel. We need to travel to the location. We need to bring our awareness to the spine region, exactly back to the neck. That is location. After that, we need to aware about the breath. Same techniques only. After that, we need to bring our awareness to the Kshetram. We need to bring the awareness to the breath. Then we need to bring our breath to the navel region. We need to incorporate the Om chanting gradually. After familiarizing the travel with the breath, then we need to bring our Om chanting. We need to incorporate with the Om chanting. The travel, at the time of travel, you can feel Muladhara chakra is piercing, Muladhara chakra is getting purification, Muladhara chakra getting the activation. You can feel it. Just this practice also one by one we need to do it in same day. No need to do it. Familiarize one by one. After familiarizing this, next we can locate our Anahata chakra, Kshetram, here in the heart region, the center of the heart. Feel the pulsation here. After feeling the pulsation, travel exactly into the location of the chakra, in the chest region back. And then after that, here also feel the pulsation. Then bring the awareness to the breath. Incorporate the breath is normal breath only. Normal breath awareness is very, very important. Just to incorporate your normal breath in the root of Kshetram and location of the chakra. After familiarizing this, incorporate your Om mantra in this breath. You need to feel it. Heart region only activating. It is getting the expansion and contraction. That is total energy in that heart region only. You feel it all energy in one particular part. What about the potentiality? We are giving the importance to each and every part specifically. Okay, at the time of looking anyone else personally, they will be happy, no? Same like that, we are also giving importance to our chakras. We are giving importance to our chakra. At the time of individual importance, if we give, definitely it will be also happy, no? So you can feel the finer and finer on your breath. Through that, you can feel it. You are piercing the chakra, you are opening the chakra, you are activating, you are doing the purifications, you are getting the higher level. Now we are moving into the Vishuddhi chakra, the Kshetram of the chakra in the throat region. Feel the pulsation here. After familiarizing the pulsation, just travel to the location of the chakra, exactly back to the throat. Here also feel the pulsation. Then bring your awareness to the normal breath. Incorporate your normal breath. At the time of normal inhalation, travel from the Kshetram to location of the Vishuddhi chakra. At the time of normal exhalation, travel from the location of the Vishuddhi chakra to Kshetram of the Vishuddhi chakra. At the time of traveling in the psychic path, you are piercing the Vishuddhi chakra, you are activating your Vishuddhi chakra, you are purifying your Vishuddhi chakra. After familiarizing this, bring your mantra, incorporate your mantra with normal breath and do for 5 minutes. Each and every chakras we need to do at least 5 minutes after incorporating Om mantra with the breath. Okay, next we can bring our awareness to the between the eyebrows, that is the Kshetram of the Ajna chakra. Feel the pulsation between the eyebrows, that is Trikuti. We can call it Trikuti or Trikuti Bhrumadhya. Just here you feel the pulsation. After feeling the pulsation, bring your awareness to back of the head. That is the top of the spine. Okay, you can draw the line from the Bhrumadhya to travel through the ear. You can bring that location. There also you feel the pulsation. After feeling the pulsation, bring the breath. Put the psychic path with the incorporated, integrated breath from the Kshetram location to the Kshetram. Okay, after that bring the Om mantra, incorporate it, and then do silence Om chanting, mental Om chanting with incorporated normal breath for 5 minutes. At the time of doing, definitely you can feel the breath finer and finer. You are feeling the, you are piecing the Ajna chakra, your purification of the Ajna chakra, your purification of the Ajna chakra, and totally cleanliness, totally energetic body and mind in your whole body. Now purified everything. Okay, after that what we need to do, for all 6 chakras we have done. After that we need to bring your awareness to the Mooladhara chakra. In this Mooladhara chakra, what we need to do, pulsation. In that pulsation, mental Om chanting for 21 times. Okay, 21 times we need to locate our kshetram or chakra location. There we need to put our concentration. We need to feel the pulsation incorporated with Om for 21 times. Same like that, our Swadhisthana chakra, our Mooladhara chakra, our Manipura chakra, our Anahata chakra, Vishuddhi chakra, and Ajna chakra. Here we need to move this 21 counts pulsation. We need to move bindu also, just above the Guru Matya, little bit we need to move, just bindu chakra also we need to do for 21 times, and we need to come to Sahasrara. In Sahasrara also we need to do for 21 times. So these are the process for one time, but we can continue how long you can do. This much we can do. These are the thing, chakra suddhi dharana. So finish the chakra suddhi dharana. Okay. We have time, and then I have given. Yeah, Sridevi.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, chakra suddhi dharana I finished. Can I explain about other things, or sorry, another one chakra suddhi?
Ma'am, do you have time to log on to one more session? If you
I don't. Yeah, if you wish, I can do, or any question answer session. If they want any clarification, I'll clarify the doubt, and again I can start.
This session, if we finish this Chidakasha Dharana, then the next session we can give the practice as well as open it for interaction. If you are free.
Siddhakasana Dharana is long practice. Siddhakasana Dharana is very high practice, long practice. Easily not able to give. It will take time.
Can we give any small practice today, ma'am?
Yeah, sure. Which practice? Chakra Suddhi Dharana? Which one?
Whichever is like permissible, ma'am. In a short time.
I explained. No, Chakra Suddhi Dharana, I'll give instructions. Definitely. How many minutes I need to give?
We have exactly 20 minutes, ma'am.
Okay, can I give? Yeah, sure. Definitely. I'll
then
give.
We can go for the practice, ma'am. And
what,
once again,
what I explained, definitely.
Once
what
again,
I
we log on and once again we log on for interaction. Just another 10-15 minutes with your permission.
Okay. Yeah, after interaction we can do, or do the practice, or before that?
We give the practice and then we go, at the end we go for interaction.
Now can I start the practice?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Good. Yeah, we can do what I explained, Chakra Suddhi Dharana, or we can do Kaya Stairyam, that is better. Kaya Stairyam very important because we need to prepare, okay? Sit in many meditative pose. Now we can do Kaya Stairyam. It is preparatory for Dharana. Adjust your body, bring into comfort. Analyze your body from the top of the head to toes. You are feeling comfort or not? Comfort we won't always analyze. Very particularly, we know about discomfort. Adjust your discomfort. If you feel any discomfort in your body, just adjust your body and then bring into comfort. We can do it. We can control our body. We have the capacity. Make sure your spine, neck and head straight. Resemble chin mudra or dhyana mudra. Gently close your eyes. Now observe your breath. Just simply normal breath only. Just simply observe your normal breath. How it is beautiful manner moving. We are not paying anything. But how much rich source we are getting from our source? Appreciate. Our breath is our life. Without any payment, how much rich source we are getting? Now look at your body posture. In this meditative pose, how you are feeling? It is good, no? We are sitting in the meditative pose. We are going into inner journey. We are going to get success in our life. We are going to get the purpose of life, reach our goal. Our body position showing the courage. We are going to reach. Aware about our body pose. Nicely like a stage, where like ideal. Like temples idols, our statue, our pose is like stage. Now we are going to do interesting one. Imagine in front of you mirror you have. You see your meditative pose, how beautifully you are sitting. See your front portion. Nice, no? Enjoy this moment. Your front portion of the meditative pose, how it is showing in the mirror. You are seeing yourself. Now see your back portion of the body in this meditative pose. It is fantastic, no? Now bring your awareness to the right side of the body. See your right side of the body in the mirror. And now see your left side of the body in the mirror. Now at a glance, totally whole body from the top of the head to toes. See in the mirror. In all the sides, front to back, right and left side. You are seeing you in the mirror. Now bring your body. You feel like a tree. You feel your whole lower portion, your legs are like root. The legs fixed under the ground. It is like root. You are rooted. Hereafter you are not able to move. Your trunk portion of the body is the tree trunk. Feel it. Your hands and head, fingers, everything, the branches of the tree. Now you are tree. Which tree you like? Banyan or people? Neem, papaya, mango, which tree you like? You are the tree now. You are not able to move. This moment is good, no? Very good. Now you are unmovable. In this unmovable situation, feel the sensation. Any sensation you are feeling? Any pain, itching, heat, cold? You take. I don't give the option. You take what kind of sensation you are feeling. We can feel the heat, or you can feel the cold. Take time to feel it. You may feel the sensation of itching. Take time to aware about the sensation on the body. Now bring your awareness to the head. Now you are looking your head only. In that head, what is the sensation you are feeling? You are feeling heat, or cold, or itching, any tingling. What kind of sensation you are feeling? You may feel pleasant also. Nice breeze, nice breeze also you can feel. With the cool air also you can feel. Any sensation in the head. Now bring your awareness to the right hand. What is the sensation you are feeling? And now bring your awareness to the left hand. Feel the sensation. Now bring your awareness to the front portion of the trunk. What is the sensation you are feeling in your chest region and in your abdominal region? One by one. Now bring your awareness to the back, upper portion of the back. What is the sensation you are feeling? You are feeling any pain due to the sitting? Or any itching? Cool or heat? Now bring your awareness to the lower back. Feel the sensation. Now bring your awareness to the bottom, both left and right. And now bring your awareness to the front portion, genital regions, lower abdomen. Feel the sensation, what kind of sensation you are feeling. You may feel one or more than one. Now you can bring your awareness to the right leg. One by one concentrate right thigh, knee and lower portion of the leg and foot. Feel the sensation, take time. What kind of sensation you are feeling in the whole right side of the leg. Now bring your awareness to the left leg from the Now bring your awareness to the knee, lower portion and foot of the left leg. On the fold, feel the senses. Now, interesting one, we are moving into take a sankalpa. Tell your body, I don't move. I will not move until finishing this practice. I will not move until finishing my dharana practice. If anyone else urges to move it, just move your fingers or hands or any itching to scratch it. Order your body, don't move it. I will not move until finishing this practice. Now we are getting immobility through sankalpa. Now you can feel the steadiness. Even though immobility, sometimes we won't feel the steadiness, but we have done lot of process. You can feel in your body is steady and getting stillness. Stillness with the steadiness. Your body like statue now. It is totally freezed. Through the body, immobility, stillness and steadiness, the psychic part also getting rigidity. Totally immobility in the psychic part also. Feel it. Now everything totally still. Now simply look at your breath. Nicely it is moving. Only one thing only moving except other things. It is nice movement. You see your breath only moving. Feel it. How it is moving. What about its rhythm? Automatically it will get rhythm. Everything still. It is freely moving. Observe the in and out of your normal breath. You are going into subtle level of your breath. You are feeling the subtle level of your breath. Beyond that air, you are entering into subtle level of the movement. We are going into inner journey. You started your inner journey. You are moving. You are moving into inside. And now we are experiencing the consciousness. This is the state of consciousness. You are in the state of consciousness. You are in the state of dharana. Now you are ready to do dharana. Now we can do simply only one chakra siddhi. If you are in any other poses, simply move your pose into siddhasana. Only Muladhara chakra siddhi we can do. After resembling the siddhasana, keep your lower heel between the anus and the genital portion. That is the Kshetram. That is the location. Kshetram, it doesn't have location. Location of the Muladhara chakra. It is pressing your Muladhara chakra. For ladies, in the cervix. For female, for male, we can say perineal region. Which portion your lower heel pressing? Concentrate on that part only. Your whole concentration on that Muladhara chakra part only. Now feel the sensation. Feel the pulsation. If you won't feel it, don't worry about it. Try to feel it. If your mind get any distractions from that location to other things, please bring your mind and put on that particular part only. Keep on concentrate. Gently concentrate. It is relaxed practice. We no need to do in stressful manner. It is enjoyable practice. It is pleasant practice. In pleasant manner only. You are seeing your chakra. You are feeling your chakra. It is nice. You are seeing the Sukshma part. No? It is higher level. We need to be happy in that. Feel the pulsation on that particular part. Now bring your awareness to normal breath. Slowly bring your awareness of the normal breath. Bring your normal breath and incorporate in the pulsation of the Muladhara chakra. Feel it. Your Muladhara chakra only taking breath. Other part still. A whole energy on that Muladhara chakra part only. Feel the expansion and contraction on that Muladhara chakra part at the time of normal inhalation. The Muladhara chakra pulsation part is expanding. At the time of normal exhalation, it is getting contraction. You are getting finer and finer breath. It is peace in your Muladhara chakra. And then time is 1 minute only. Please incorporate mantra Om chanting with that normal breath on that particular pulsation area of the Muladhara chakra. Continue for 5 minutes. At the time of continuing this practice, the chakra getting purification.